From Dewey come out and speak in mind, like Queenie can't get over Dewey same way, man. And you don't notice, from Dewey speak in mind, Queenie in a red every day. John no star, man, and if I do open man tell Queenie, say, yo, don't take off the red no. I work something face, so just go and keep her in the red till all a week or 2 weeks time. You see it?
The recording you have is in your head because you will never forget. Thank you! My recording in my head, I mean, I think not evil of nothing. Why would you record me and then you're going to say, who me think of my friend is not my friend? So you as my husband still have recorded with my friend and I go for internet attack? So how you never tell me that? So what kind of good you mean me in the first place? But you make it look like because you get the stuff while you're in Canada. I said it forgot. Remember when I come out of the hospital, you hold me up in a car and beat me again. So you play a victim and I tell lies, say, itching on your shoulder. Why are you lying? You're so crazy, give me the scissors, I'm not giving you money again. You know I'm afraid of blood, but not going to stab you again. And you say, crazy, give me the scissors, give me the... So how come no scissors in your shoulder? Stop look pity your man. Stop calling my name too. Are you runway? You never want to try for the relationship. You married after you married, you change your mind. Me was only try. You understand me? Stop telling lie for me. I won't if I lie, they tell lie. You would. How can you read? You have to tell them, say, when me anything that they do, them stage it. Them who stage what? Me look like somebody can't stage something. So you have to sit down with public and I got to tell people, say, you don't know me. Me stage something, oh. I'm a seminar, I go cuss. And by you look, my cuss. I'm glad, God know, I'm glad a million. Me not for walk and look and wonder. We work both ways. You get your freedom ticket. Stop tear me down. Stop plan to destroy me. Not what you have in your phone can my class or my cuss or chat behind them back and you're recording. I can stand up to come up bad and big and bold. You cannot destroy me. Take a piece of your glory. Do not try to destroy me. I give you that name. I turn you in a brand. Appreciate it. You understand me? Stop grudge me because I'm a strong woman. You never want to capitalize on me you have. Because if you like, say, as you say, I know me the people them are booking them, I told with them are book. And you sit down and you go to this project to a plug-in phone, you know you don't have a relationship with your dad. You have a compare picture. And you want them, I'm sorry for you. And on the move, glad. You think if that man did respect me from day one and talk to me and things that I reach for internet? I don't shut me out and every minute, even I'm suitcase. Every argument him have, him pack up and put the suitcase them out there. So, love my God. The glory take you. I appreciate the glory because it said, you reach one top. But who help you for reach one top? You don't count them, you eat them, you despise them. Not tell them life I'm a cabinet, but of course I can plan and them very good. Them plan what? Plan what? You still ask a question, what I plan? Airport? Anybody will have said that they didn't know that plan where I would be able. You don't know your words. When me ready, I have to come. We put people out there, see, are you a run? I saw the police come and me them handcuff. So we answer that. To them not catch the handcuff and me plan it. And me go to jail and come. And you ball like come. Sit down to let me do something. You raise them and lick after you. Me never ever lick you. And people have it, me beat me this, me that. The two we are too aggressive, dirty wall. When you complete like go through my loud and vulgar, awful. That tell no lie for me, brother. That tell no lie for me. It's not nice. You dump me, you dish me dirt, and disrespect me. And you still a tell lie for me? I say you hear me, leave me alone. Leave me alone. You understand me? All of the disgrace they must start, you cause it because you didn't stand up as a man or a husband. Take your chance and go. Don't sit down and discriminate the name and fabricate story for my name about me set up people like you. I remember say, Sean, white girl a plan. Yes, me a white girl a plan. After I'm done, see me already, batter me. Me I go sit down and Brother, get over me. Because you don't look like you get over me. Because I'm sure get over you no matter how hurtful it is. The hate when I say feed me. To compete with me. For prove the monster what I is to you. You just forget about me. You hear that? I mean, I look at sympathy. I just want to release my spirit. You can't talk. I can't talk, but not tell no lie, my dad. Express yourself. I wish man live with the man and record them. When you record, then I talk about you recording. Remember, you know, the first time I routine, you know, you record it and can't go give your mother and your brother, you know. You set them up then from day one, you know. Remember that, you know, when we were there at Jamaica before you even come here. So, I know say he's a recorder. I mean, I listen to me to can't be because I'm a old big man. You're so special. Thank you. So, now, me as a wife now, you know how much man come at England? You come here, fly past silver suitcase, the 20th of November. And by January, you're going to Jamaica. By March, you're going back to Jamaica. By June, you're going back to Jamaica. You live a much in life. And you sit there with people. Black against me and I look sympathy. Like it. Like me did have it. I tell you, how are you, mate? When you ramp with me through me ramp, you're rough. You give me some ramping where you better say, stop ramping the woman so rough. I mean, I said, that boy has some little hate towards me, you know. A long time you hate me. So now come look, clothes. Pity, take your freedom, brother. Freedom. Take your freedom. Don't tell no lie for me. Don't tell nobody tell me mash up your father. Lie. Remember saying no? For I will come from Jamaica in a March, you know. All I tell people, chopping on your head for your birthday. If you remember say birthday, I was married today. So how me not remember that? Have to tell lie for me, brother. Remember say from March you come from Jamaica and talk to your mother, you know. And you say you're glad you not talk to your mother because your mother make me you can't live good, you know. And I just my faith, you know, when I come out of the hospital, I thought your mother call you back, you know. So now I go black against me. And I go sit down. I want me, you know, brother. I want me. And you don't respect your name. I'll let me fight for your name to say marriage. You know, pretty, you don't even respect your name. You have to sit down and say, if you would disrespect my family, I put hitman for you, what kind of argument that if my family them the business with me and you this would reach so far? You think Sky could have lied, but you disrespect sir. Man, no, my family them not bad like that. I mean, none of my family them not take up my problem. So you have to come by internet. I go say me destroy your family, and then I go say no. My family that send it. What kind of argument them they have against my family, brother? Not tell a lie about my family. You hear that? Not paint a picture for my family, brother. Cause me now look not thugs. Like me have no family where I go come. Why? Them not doing something. Cause you say if you did that disrespect. The worst is say you disrespect me. Say your argument not sturdy. If you did that disrespect me. So what you do? What you do when you make? Remember the glass, my drinking glass. Remember what cost, you know, man? And you run, you go to the girl near Andrea. And Andrea put the big dirty plastic, one little pimple. And the big brown pacifier of your forehead. And you lie down in the girl house and make sure you go tap down police station and go report me. Tap truth, my brother, man. You never for one day get me. Me get everybody for calls. Me call your father, your mother, anybody when me can call. Just to try to save the relationship. You ever call somebody for come to me and say me I do not more than you sneak behind me? You record. You tell me wicked to you. Me no wicked. Me go cuss you following your life to me. I'm going to your phone and saw a girl put the deal with you and she said, none of them no respect you. I said, madam, you can't be so common. You have to give them girl a run for them money. Them not even buy your perfume. Them not buy your shoes. Them not give your job nor nothing. So now you see, don't talk about me, sir. Sit down with can't talk to me perfect. And them not go through them life. Them are not body. I am a celebrity. I must. So everything we do, people are going to talk. It's not easy. It's not easy to see a dog me. After all, when me and you bill and walk against me on the one side and show off for me.